Meaning of glitch.
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 Glitch. A glitch is a sudden malfunction or temporary disturbance in a system or device. It often results in an unexpected and unintended outcome, such as a freeze, error message, or unintended action. Glitches can occur in a wide range of technologies, from computers and software to electronic devices and machinery. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including electrical interference, data corruption, and software bugs. Glitches are generally unpredictable and can be difficult to diagnose and fix, which can lead to frustration and lost productivity.